So now for this one I will select front plane. Front plane, I will go for revolved boss. First and foremost I am going to draw a center line here. Then I am going to draw the profile of the CSK scope. Look at dimensions. So 35 divided by 2, how much? 17.5. So what about inside dimensions? Inside dimension you will get when you go on for placing a 90-degree line here. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲೇರದ ಪೈ 25 ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಪೈ 25 ನೀವು 90 ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. This is to be how much? 12.5. Okay. Now this thickness is how much? 8 mm. Right? Now angle. It is 45. Right? 45. Now this has been adjusted automatically. So we need to check out this dimension. It is how much? 14.5. 14.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 14.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಿದು? 7.25. Okay? Right? So you can go for fillet of a 2 mm. Now they have not provided, let us go for 2 mm. Right, over.